In the beginning, man used caves for shelter and protection. As man progressed, he gradually improved on roofing materials. He tried everything. From leaves, wood, asbestos, zinc, to concrete tiles. Today, 90% of houses in Malaysia use concrete roofing because they're affordable and easy to obtain. Unfortunately, concrete tiles have its disadvantages too. Only one name is synonymous with superior clay roof tiles: Golden Clay Industries Sdn Bhd, or GCI. The Golden Clay Group of companies comprises of two main sections, which is manufacturing and marketing. Golden Clay Industries Sdn Bhd is a joint venture between Golden Clay Enterprise Sdn Bhd and Perisind Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, an investment subsidiary of the Johor State Islamic Economic Development Corporation. Established in 1995, Golden Clay Industries Sdn Bhd manufactures pressed, double interlocking clay roof tiles in its modern production plant located in Yongpeng, Johor. The plant is situated on 240 acres of land, which contains abundant clay reserves. Geological studies revealed the depth of clay deposits exceeding 30 meters that can last over 100 years at the present scale of extraction. The GCI plant is estimated to have a production capacity of 22 million tiles per year at a firing cycle of 24 hours. Section 2 handles the marketing of the tiles. Mart Orient Private Limited is the sole marketing arm in Singapore, while GCI Marketing Sdn Bhd handles domestic and export sales. The GCI manufacturing plant is one of Asia's most sophisticated, as it is the first in Asia to instate the latest Franco-German technology in the manufacturing of clay roof tiles. Equipped with the patented computerized hydrocasing tunnel kiln firing system and horizontal tiles firing in individual refractory H supports, GCI clay roof tiles is prominent for its dimensional accuracy and color uniformity. The GCI clay roof tile manufacturing process begins with the grinding of the material, which is operated by a set of high-speed rolls. The clay is then moved into a mixing unit where water is added to raise it to the correct moisture content. A mixing process follows, where many tons of pressure allow the stored clay to spread out its water content evenly. Clay is fed into a dearing mixer, where the air is removed by shearing the material through a vacuum chamber. The de-aired material is then extruded through a shaped mouthpiece at an enormous pressure, resulting in a formed strip of clay, which is then cut to size. Further forming takes place by precision pressing to mold the clay into the desired profile. It is then piled onto setters, prepared for drying. Next, the clay tiles are moved into the drying chamber, where water in the clay body is slowly removed by gradually increasing the temperature in the chamber. After drying, the tiles are transferred to the individual refractory H supports, which will then move into the patented hydrocasing kiln for firing at 1060 degrees Celsius. The individual H supports allows every tile to be fired independently, thus giving it an overall consistent firing. At the same time, protects it against impact. The final result is the highly durable and excellent finished GCI clay roof tiles. Clay is deemed the perfect choice for roofing because it is a bad conductor of heat, as opposed to concrete or zinc roofing. Research has shown that GCI clay roof tiles have excellent insulation properties that keeps the home relatively cooler without the aid of air conditioning, and thus more comfortable. Similarly, clay roof maintains the internal temperature of the home in cooler climates by curbing warm air from escaping. In both situations, GCI clay roof tiles will help reduce energy cost. GCI offers two profiles of clay roof tiles, the S-Pan tile and its latest addition, the Marseille tile. The S-Pan tile is an interlocking clay roof tile that has the contour of the wavy S. This wavy S profile is not only of aesthetic value, but its deep channel easily drains rainwater. The Marseille profile is the latest design from Golden Clay Industries Sdn Bhd. A classic profile that never goes out of style, Marseille's double valley shape creates a distinctive look every time. Although all GCI tiles are light in weight, they are big in strength and can endure the toughest of weather conditions. GCI tiles go through vigorous and stringent testing to ensure that they conform to the Malaysian distinction criterion, as well as the international quality standards. Unquestionably, GCI emerged as the preferred choice for durability and resilience. All GCI tiles use the double interlocking system, which serves to keep the water out by locking one tile to the adjacent tile. With this interlocking system, security is also improved because it is almost impossible for intruders to force an entry without breaking the tiles. While great emphasis has been placed on quality, GCI has not neglected the aesthetic aspects of the tiles. They have gone to great lengths to create variety in their product lines. GCI tiles are now available in 4 types of finishes, namely unglazed, satin, earthy tones, and the ever-popular glazed. Each of these finishes comes in a variety of colors, and of course a complete range of accessories to ascertain that every curve and joint of the roof is covered. There's surely one to suit any home. GCI clay roof tiles are proven excellent and comply with international standards, namely Singapore, France, Germany, America, the UK and Norway. Together with CIRIM and ISO 9001 certification, utmost quality is ensured with every GCI clay roof tile purchased. To reach out to its customers, GCI has developed a network of distributors and stockists across the nation and the world. Supported by GCI's very own sales force, this group of highly trained professionals ensure that its customers' needs are met. With such commitment, GCI Roof Tiles has a diverse range of clientele, from individual bungalow owners to housing schemes, plus commercial and government projects. GCI tiles are not just popular here in Malaysia. Its reputation has caught the eye of the world, and it has been exporting to countries including Australia, Denmark, Japan, Sweden, and the USA. Proper installation and good quality roof tiles go hand in hand to provide the best roofing system for the home. Traditionally, cement mortar is used to install roofs. GCI now offers you dry fixing as a new and more productive way to complete your installation. Unlike cement mortar, which tends to crack due to thermal expansion and contraction, dry fixing utilizes modified adhesive bitumen and high tensile strength aluminum foil. which preserves its adhesiveness over a longer period of time. Its flexible body allows installers to mold it to the contours of the roof, hence greatly reducing the possibility of leakages. This clean and tidy method requires no special skills to install, and it usually takes only 1/3 of the time to complete an installation. Together with a complete range of accessories made available by GCI, dry fixing is definitely the way of the future. GCI clay roof tiles are a cut above the rest because they're not merely durable and decorative. They offer more value for money in the long run as opposed to other roofing materials. Take for instance a case study on the cost of roof tiles against the value of a semi-detached house. The cost of a concrete roof for a 350,000 ringgit semi-detached house is 3,330 ringgit, which is 0.95% of the cost of the house. By roofing the same house with GCI unglazed clay roof tiles, it is generally accepted that the value of the house will increase by 10,000 ringgit or 20,000 ringgit for GCI glazed clay roof tiles. This astonishing 2.9% or 5.7% increase in value far outweighs the incremental cost increase in using clay roof tiles. With GCI clay roof tiles, you will get the benefits of a stronger and more beautiful roof, which requires less maintenance over time. While these intangible benefits may only be realized over time, the immediate return on investment is obvious. So the next time you need a roof over your head, make sure it's a GCI clay roof tile. Think clay tiles. Think GCI tiles.